In this video, I'm going to show you how to refresh a bank connection in Origin Financial. Let's get started. First, open Origin Financial on your computer and sign into your account. Once you're on the home page, look for the net worth graph. This section shows a summary of all your connected accounts and their current balances. To refresh your bank connection, move your cursor to the net worth graph and locate the three-dot menu in the upper right corner of the graph. Click on it to open additional options. From a menu, select Refresh. This ensures the system checks all connected financial institutions and starts syncing data immediately. Once you click Refresh, Origin will automatically sync all of your linked bank accounts, credit cards, and investment accounts at the same time. This process pulls the latest available data, including updated balances and recent transactions, without needing to manually reconnect or enter your login details again. It helps ensure your financial dashboard stays accurate and up-to-date across all linked institutions. After a few seconds, your dashboard will update, and you should see the most recent information reflected across your accounts. You can repeat this process anytime you notice delays in data updates or if something looks outdated on your dashboard. If you want to support our channel, feel free to use our affiliate link in the description below. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in my next video.